To use your Chase points for flights, you have a few options. First, you can transfer your points to one of the airlines that partners with Chase. To do this, sign in to your account on the Chase website. Then click on Transfer to Travel Partners and select the airline you want to transfer your points to. Once the transfer is complete, you can use your points to book a flight with that airline. Another option is to use the Chase Travel Portal. To access the portal, sign in to your account on the Chase website, select Travel from the options, and then choose Flights from the menu. From there, you can enter your flight details, search for available flights, and choose the one you prefer. When you're ready to book, the system will prompt you to redeem your points, and you can indicate how many points you want to use towards the flight. After booking your flight, you also have the option to redeem your points for cash, which can be deposited directly into your bank account or used to reduce your credit card balance. By following these steps, you can easily use your Chase points to book flights or receive cash back.